Hello and welcome to this video. As a developer, using the right tools and extensions can greatly enhance your productivity and coding experience. So in this video, we are going to discuss the top 10 my own VS Code extensions that every developer should use in 2023. Now keep in mind that these extensions have been carefully selected based on their popularity, functionality and ease of use, and last but not least, my own. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, these extensions will definitely help you in saving time and improve your coding skills. Sit back, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Now, before starting the video, let me tell you all about VS Code. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors in the market, and its popularity is due to its many features and the wide range of extensions available. However, with so many options, it can be difficult to know which ones are the best for optimizing your code for search engine, and that's why I am here. I have put together a list of top 10 VS Code extensions that will help you create SEO friendly codes, making it easier for your applications to rank higher. What are the top 10 extensions are? On number 10 we have Prettier. Prettier is a code formatting tool that helps keep code clean and consistent. The Prettier VS Code extension integrates it into VS Code editor, enabling automatic formatting on save and real-time suggestions. Customizable settings allows developers to choose formatting styles including tab, width, quotes, styles and more. The extensions supports many popular languages including JavaScript, VS Code and many more. On number 9 we have CodeRunner. CodeRunner is a very popular VS Code extension that allows developers to quickly execute code snippets in many different programming languages without having to leave editor. That is about VS Code. The extension support wide range of programming languages like C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, etc. CodeRunner also provides the ability to run code in the terminal and stop and supports debugging, making it into a powerful tool for a developer, containing all the aspects of coding, debugging and testing of a code. Coming to number 8 we have LiveShare. LiveShare is yet another VS Code extension which allows developers to collaborate and share their code in real time, which means when you are writing your own code, you can directly share your own VS Code screen to someone whom with you want to collaborate on that same project. With LiveShare, you can share your VS Code workspace, including your code, terminal, and even your local host web applications with other developers over the internet. Collaborators can work together on the same code base, making it easier to pair programs, solving any issues and many more things. And that's why I love the VS LiveShare extension while I am doing or collaborating any type of code in hackathons mostly. LiveServer is yet another VS Code extension which enables every developer to quickly launch a local development server for testing and previewing web pages. With LiveServer, you can easily test HTML, CSS, JavaScript type of code changes without having manually reloading the page or configuring any local web server. Just like as you can see in this image, they are writing the code and on the other side a new localhost server has been opened where each website can easily be seen, and that is the benefit of LiveServer. You can open a localhost server within your browser on clicking either on Go Live button or right clicking and selecting go with live server. On number 6 we have material icon theme. Now material icon theme is yet another VS Code extension which provides a set of icons based on Google material design guidelines. These extension replaces your default files and folders icons which are used in VS Code with a more modern and visually appealing set of icons. As you can see here, a lot of icons are there, including JavaScript, JS, Java class, parcel, and many more. And this is same like Material UI which we use in while building our websites in React.js or Next.js. And that's why it's the best icon theme which I prefer and mostly all the developers prefer. On number 5 we have ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippet. Now this VS Code extension provides a collection of code snippets for Redux, React, GraphQL and React Native development. Now this extension helps us in speeding up our development by providing a commonly used code snippets which can be inserted into our code with just a few key presses. For example, by writing this code, I can write directly by pressing into import module. By writing this code, I can directly write this whole large set of words into this small one word IME. And that's what I love about this snippet extension. On number 4 we have JavaScript ES6 code snippet. Now this is the same just like ES7 React Redux GraphQL snippet, but the only difference is this one focuses only on JavaScript. This extension also speeds up our development by allowing developers to write code faster, smarter, with a few errors. With this ES6 syntax, developers can write more concise, elegant, and maintainable code, which contains snippets for common JavaScript patterns, functions, and modules, making easier for developers to write code without again the shortcuts for your JavaScript code. So if you are using JavaScript, make sure to install this extension. Now on number 3 we have Blackbox AI. Now Blackbox AI is a very important and yet another tool which is available now for VS Code and which helps developers to write your code faster and smarter. It uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithm to automate your coding tasks and suggest you code snippets, reducing the time effort required to complete a project. With Blackbox AI, developers can focus on writing clean, maintainable code and rely on the extensions to automate routine tasks and identify any potential bug and error in your code. Now keep an example which is given here. He is directly writing here connect to MongoDB to Node.js, and this Blackbox AI extension is giving all the code which is required to connect MongoDB to Node.js. That is the power of Blackbox AI. Yeah, similar to ChatGPT. The only difference is you can ask all the coding related questions within your VS Code extension. Keep in mind to install this extension. Now on number 2 and on number 1, these are not so much important extensions, but yeah, definitely a bonus extensions which you can say from my side, which you can use of course to improve your productivity and errors. Now on number 2 we have Tailwind CSS Intelligence, yet another VS Code extension that provides advanced code completion, linting and hover preview for a Tailwind CSS, a popular utility first CSS framework. This is yet another extension and framework for Tailwind CSS. When you are using Tailwind CSS, just like all the code editors, programming languages, when you are getting any type of error, it automatically detects your error and not only errors, it auto completes your Tailwind codes. Just like as you can see, he is writing background and red. It automatically detects and provided you all the keywords and colors related to red, BG red 100, 200, 900 and whatever. and by pressing enter you can choose whatever the code and the necessary changes which you want to make. And that's about Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. On number one we have sense for CSS class names in HTML. Now this extension provides us auto completion and context aware suggestions for your HTML and CSS code. While working with CSS class names in HTML, IntelliSense can help you in avoiding syntax error and speed up your development process. Just like all the other syntax which I have told you, it provides you all the errors and all the necessary syntax completion within your HTML and CSS code. So this is yet another extension you can use when you are writing your HTML as well as CSS code. Keep in mind that was for Tailwind CSS and this is for normal CSS, okay, which you are using normally, CSS 5 or 3. So these are all the top 10 extensions which I prefer and currently use mostly in my own VS Code editor. Which extension you prefer mostly? Let me know down in the comment section. And keep in mind these are all the extensions which are made and told you by me, because by keeping in mind that every beginner, mediocre and intermediate programmer / developer is gonna be coding right now. So let's meet again with another video containing more amazing type of tools and some suggestions for your own development / coding career. Follow Web Coders. Subscribe. Bye.